Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Lucha Lowrider with a Rey Mysterio action figure by Mattel. Okay everybody, and here is the front of the packaging with the vehicle exposed, as well as the Rey Mysterio figure here. It says launching hydraulic action. And try me. And then you push this thing there and he pops out, you know? Okay everybody, and here's the side of the packaging with Rey Mysterio in his orange gear. Alright everyone, and here's the back of the packaging with a lot of action going on. It's a really cool display of figures here with this Lucha Lowrider. It says tilt, lean, and ride into the main event. Of course, you have Dominic Mysterio here. Got Roman Reigns here with a silver crutch. Got Rey Mysterio jumping off. John Cena in the driver's seat. Seth Rollins here with the aluminum baseball bat. On the side here it says press bumper for hydraulic action. It's really cool. Of course you have the Rey Mysterio figure here with the aforementioned bat and crutch. Okay, so there's this opening at the bottom of the vehicle, the packaging. I don't know quite what's inside, but let's check it out. Okay, so it's basically this stuff that holds the lowrider in place. Okay, so yeah, you got the circle thing right here. You turn it and it comes right off. Same thing on the other side. Comes off. There's a string thing right here. Just snip it right off. I hope. Yep. Okay. All right, and here it is, everybody. It's a Lucha Lowrider out of the packaging. All right, and there's something behind here, peeking out, poking out, whatever. It's probably the bat and stuff, right? Yeah, how did I know? Here it is, the bat, the crutch, instruction manual and all of that. All right, everybody, and here is the instruction manual. Excuse me, this is the front of the instruction manual. I think most of you are capable of setting this up and taking it apart without having to refer to this, but just in case, you can refer back to this video with the instructions in case you misplace it or something. So here's here's the front of the instruction manual, the bottom half of the page, top half of the page, right, and here's the back of the instruction manual, the top half of the page. And then, of course, the bottom half of the page. All right, everybody, and here is the aluminum, supposedly, baseball bat that comes with the Lucha Lowrider playset. You know, there's always a curve with these Mattel bats. I don't know. Some sort of erectile dysfunction or something. I don't know what their problem is. Here is the crutch. So if you don't know what a crutch looks like, here you go. Okay, everyone, and here is the main event Rey Mysterio figure that comes with the Lucha Lowrider playset. There's the face scan, mask scan, whatever you want to call it. I like this. I like the colorway, black, red, and yellow. He's got the cross jewelry. The front of his shirt, it says Lucha Legend 2002, 2022. Yep. So yeah, this is just a figure all around. It's a great Rey Mysterio figure, and just in casual wear. Of course, he's got gray jeans, black sneakers, very cool figure to come with this Lucha Lowrider. Okay, and here's the Lucha Lowrider. It's raised all the way up, but you could just put it in place like that, and it goes, you know, down, all the way down. It's a beautiful looking car. Oh my goodness. I wish I had a lowrider in real life, to be honest with you. It's really cool. And of course, going back to the hydraulic action, you can press the front bumper and both wheels pop out like this. Same with the back. Just press the back bumper. By the way, the license plate says Low 619. Shout out to San Diego. Pops out like that. Very cool. I like this. And okay, everyone, I just wanted to take a closer look at the Lucha Lowrider playset. This beautiful looking car. Again, I really like this. Love the color. Of course, it says Low 619 again. There's a WWE logo here. And I think the front windshield is the only thing that detaches. And I'm actually grateful for that. I don't want a billion pieces falling out of this thing, you know? So, that's really cool. I like that. It's nice. The door doesn't open, but it's okay. I don't think the seats come out. So I don't advise anybody, you know, try to take out the seat or anything. Gold designs on the side. Here is the interior of the vehicle. It's all red with gray seats, gray steering wheel. Let me turn it around a bit so you guys get the other side. Yeah. It's really detailed, you guys. Look. Even got like, you know, all this stuff here. Cup holders. I think that's a nice touch. This, of course, the back of the vehicle. There's a trunk in here where you could put your accessories. Right? Yes. Put the bat and the crutches here. Yep. Okay, and here's the other side of the vehicle. It's pretty much the same. Got the gold and red design. Gold rims. Got this gold bird logo. I think it could be like a falcon or an eagle. I don't know what they were going for here, but I like it. It looks cool. All around great vehicle, great playset, great car figure for your WWE action figures. You know, I like it a lot. Okay, and just going back to the cup holder quickly, I just put aluminum can and a prime bottle. So yeah, all the WWE Mattel drink accessories fit in the cup holder. Just wanted to let you guys know. Okay, everybody, and of course on the instruction manual it says that there is some sort of launching action if you press on the hood. So that's what I'm about to do with this Rey Mysterio figure. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. Wow, and yes, it does the trick, you guys. It's working just fine. Alright, everybody, here is the WWE Lucha Lowrider, fully posed. Of course, out of the packaging. Of course, you see Eddie Guerrero and Rey Mysterio here in the front and in the middle. But I also wanted to include some other superstars from the Ruthless Aggression era, as you can see here. Alright, everybody, here is Rikishi. It's an elite Rikishi. Of course, Rikishi is the father of the Usos and Solo Sikoa, one of my favorite WWE superstars of all time. Of course, we have Tori Wilson here with her dog Chloe. She's WWE Hall of Famer, legend. Of course, John Cena, but not just any John Cena. This is the Doctor of Thugonomics John Cena. And then there's a referee Earl Hebner here, the WWE Jax referee Earl Hebner. Of course, just wanted to take a closer look at Rey Mysterio and Eddie Guerrero. Of course, we have a Ruthless Aggression Elite Booker T, 5-time WCW World Champion Booker T, that is. It's Trish Stratus. This is a basic Trish Stratus that came with the China figure, the 2-pack, a long time ago. Of course, this is the Ruthless Aggression Elite Rock, the Hollywood Rock. All right, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video of this WWE Mattel Lucha Lowrider. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and liking my videos, and all that good stuff. Yeah, thank you guys for all of your support. And till next time, I'll see you guys all later. Truly appreciate it.